Okay, so let's look at part A2 for the 2018 Weston question 8. So prepare a trading account for the year end 31st of 12, 2017. So remember, type in your heading. So we'll put in trading account for year ended 31st of 12, 2017. So remember, your trading account is made up of your sales, less your cost of sales, which is made up of your opening stock, add your purchases, take away your closing stock. That'll give you goods available for resale. That's going to be taken away from your sales figure to give you a gross profit. So your sales figure we've already calculated as part of part A. So if you go to part A1, go to your total sales and the total sales in money or the amount, so 127,300. Less your cost of sales. Your cost of sales is made up of your opening stock. Now your opening stock figure is taken straight from the question. So on the 1st of the 1st 2017, there was an opening stock of 5,000 units and they're worth €6 each. So in your calculator, put 5,000 and multiply that by 6. So your opening stock is 30,000. Add your purchases then. So your purchases are also calculated in part A. So go back to the start underneath your purchase figure and take the money or the amount, the value of those units, which is 79,000. We're going to add the 30,000 and the 79,000 together. Then you're going to take away your closing stock. So your closing stock is also calculated in part A, and this is the value or the amount of 31,800. That's going to be taken away from the 109,000 to give your goods available for resale. And then to get your gross profit, you're going to take your sales away from the 72,200 to give you 50,100. And that's how you prepare the trading account. So your sales figure was taken from part A, that we calculated our total sales, so 127,300. Your opening stock was taken straight from the question itself, so 5,000 multiplied by €6, give you 30,000. Your purchases was also calculated as part of part A, so 79,000. Add those two together. You're going to take away your closing stock. That we calculate in part A, 31,800. And then that's going to be taken away from your sales to give you a gross profit of 50,100.